Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Traveling with Tyler. I'm Tyler and today we are going to be talking about tracks. Alright, so as you see, I have made it to the tracks. And what makes these tracks so special is they go a long way. And these tracks let the train go to many different places. It's incredible the amount of places the train can go. So just look at the distance. The track goes from there and then all the way over here too. It's incredible. Now, what these tracks are made of is very interesting. If you take a look, these tracks here are made entirely out of iron and gold. Iron and gold make up these tracks, which make the train go vroom. It's pretty fascinating, isn't it? But that's not it. It doesn't end there. Here, you can see, in the track itself, you see rocks and wood, which hold the track together. So, why do they call them railroad tracks? I have no idea. But I know that they are not just tracks or train tracks. They have more meanings like railroads and tracks and train roads and stuff like that. Here's a sign that shows right here a train track sign. When you see this, you will be identified that a train track sign or train tracks is coming up. So take a minute to look at this, and it warns you. There are other things that let you know that tracks are coming up, like a yellow sign with an X in it, or a yellow sign with track marks in it. Stuff like that can tell you and indicate that you are coming up upon a train or some tracks. So it's just fascinating, the stuff that you learn over time. And this pole right here that you see, which is orange and white, is an identification pole. It lets you know that if you're the engineer, which by the way, the engineer is the driver of the plane or train. If you're the driver of the train, then and you see one of these, you need to know when to slow down. Or if there are two of these, you need to speed up. There are also these things called crossing guard signs on the road, which those are big, huge poles or posts, as they like to call them. And much like those X signs that say railroad crossing, so those railroad signs, or those X signs, they let you know when a train is coming or a train stop. So when the lights are flashing, which they have some at the bottom of them, and the arms or the bars come down, you need to know to stop and let the train go. Well, that's all for this episode of Traveling with Tyler. Remember, it is not safe to stand on the railroad tracks or walk on the railroad tracks. Stay away from them from a distance and see the train coming. But with that being said, thank you for tuning into this episode of Traveling with Tyler. Tune in next time as we talk about You'll Have to See.